In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit the social media buttons like this one, and how to add other social media buttons throughout your site. So let's get at it and let me show you. So first thing you want to do is you want to go into your dashboard like this, and you want to go to Appearance and Customize. So go ahead and do that first. And this is the global links that are, like, for example, these Facebook and where it links to. So once you're here, go ahead and click on Settings, and then go ahead and click on Social Links like that. And all you have to do is just change these to your Facebook URLs. And if you haven't already made a Facebook URL, go ahead and do that. You could Google or YouTube it and see how to make a Facebook page. Just put those pages here so when people click on these links throughout your site, it will link to there. And as you can see, we added a lot of these. We added LinkedIn, Yelp, Pinterest, Tumblr, Vimeo, YouTube, a lot of good ones that you could put in here. So that's how you add it globally. That's how you add these right here. You could also change it to branded, meaning it will be the colors of YouTube and stuff like that, or the monochrome, which I like because it flows with whatever accent color you're using throughout your site. Let's go ahead and now get out of here, and always save and publish this so it registers it with the system. And let me show you how to add YouTube, these links, other links throughout your whole site. So let's just go in to the actual site. I'm going to visit the site, and we're going to add maybe another one on the About Us page. Let's just add this. And of course, we could get rid of this down here in the footer area by just going into the settings again and customizing. So if you wanted to just get rid of this, let me show you how to do that really quick. Sorry. Go to Customize, and if you want to just get rid of that area right there because you don't like the way that looks, you could go to the footer and you could get rid of that in this area by just going to the footer layout right here, and you could change all this right here of what it says at the very bottom right there as well. And it says text and social, so you could make it menu or just text and column 1, or you can make it none like this. So if I made it none, it would make this whole thing disappear, as you can see, and it just says this right there. And you could just mess around with this and see what comes up on there. Again, you could always revert back. You don't have to save and publish the changes, and so on. So let's get out of here. I'm not going to save this. I'm just going to leave this page. It's going to probably add it again because there it is, because I didn't save it. And let's go to a page like this page. This is the About Us page, and let's add other social media stuff. Let's just pretend we got rid of this, and let's add another social media in between here and here. So let's go to the page builder, and let's load up this here. And if you just go into your tools right here, I'm just going to save as templates because I just made some changes. Or sorry, I'm going to go to here, tools, and I discard this. Okay, sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and go to Advanced Modules, and there's a couple ways of doing this. So the first thing is I want to show you is you could go to social buttons, and these are those social buttons that if you want to prove you have a lot of likes and stuff like that, then this would come up and you could see like Google Plus and Twitter and stuff like that on these likes. Of course, there's no YouTube because YouTube doesn't do that, because they're specific videos. It's liking a specific page and so on and so forth. So that's what that is if you wanted to add social settings. If you wanted to add links like this but make it bigger and nicer somewhere on the page, then you just go to add content, and this is what I do. It's the best, easiest way. You could just add links. So icon group, you could put that in here, and you could add a group of icons just like this. So we created this thing for you. If you edit this icon, I'm going to select this icon. We gave you about 100 and so icons. So if you type in like Facebook or something, you could add a Facebook icon, whichever one you like best. And then you put your link on here. So if you wanted Facebook, you just put that link right there, just like that. So that's going to add one icon for you. And then you could add another icon, And that could be like a Google icon or something like that. Let's just put in Google. There it is. Anyone you want. I'm going to use this one and put your Google page there. And you could also add, like, let's say a Twitter icon. So let's just do that right now. What are the icons here? And Twitter. So we took the time to actually make and have all these images for you. And of course, you could change the links in there to go wherever you want. Change the style, the coloring and stuff like that, the background color. So if you don't like that, you could make it blue or green, purple, whichever color you want. And it goes that color. And change around the settings in terms of like the height and stuff like that. I could change the size to like 90 if I wanted to, and it'll be like really big. So that's how you do that in replacing the footer ones, which is in the global settings like that. This is like per page that you can make this change. All right, I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.